Goosebumps.
Reader beware, you're in for a scare. Nah.
Oh, it's just you.
Hey, how's it going?
Great, I'm almost ready to write the Blob story. I need a first line. Clouds massed in the sky overhead and unleash their fury. Hey!
Where's that come from?
Oh.
Zach, you're not scared, are you?
A little, but what was that? Who's there?
This is so weird. You all right?
Yeah, thanks for the candles.
I've never seen a storm blow in this quickly.
Yeah, pretty weird.
But if you're sure you're okay, I'll go downstairs and call your mom. Tell her to stay at the Parkers till this blows over.
I bet this was what it was like to write stories in the old days. Clouds massed in the sky overhead and unleashed their fury. The wind began to howl. What is that?
Out the window. It's just the storm. You know that. Wait, you're shaking.
No way, I'm okay.
Type. Pretend there's no storm. Just type.
Alex and Zach were alone in the dark house.
These old writers must have all gone blind. We need more candles.
No problem, my dad's got lots downstairs.
Mr. Beecham!
Dad? Hey, Dad, we need more candles! Let's look down here. Dad, are you down there?
Zach, where is he?
No one would go out in the storm.
Unless... Nah. Wait, what was the last sentence you typed?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. It was something about Alex and Zach.
Alex and Zach were alone in the dark house. So what?
So this. You wrote about the storm, and the storm started. And then you wrote about the wind, and the wind began to howl. And now you wrote the were alone.
You're nuts. It's just coincidence.
Oh, really?
It makes more sense than believing I'm making all this happen.
No, not you, the typewriter.
Oh, the typewriter, of course.
Okay, let's do a test. Go on, type something. We'll see if it comes true. Or, are you chicken?
Chicken, I'll prove how dumb you are anytime. They heard a knock at the door. That didn't happen. I didn't hear anything.
What exactly didn't you hear? Zach, just don't open it, please.
Why not? Who do you think it is?
I don't know and I don't care. Just don't open the door.
Is anybody out there? That's weird.
What?
I can't see anyone out there.